Yeah, still Saturday, 7th of May. I think I solved my mystery on this center pin. See here, I did slide the pin out a little bit. She'd be bone dry. No remnant of grease whatsoever. And the reason not getting grease is that the bushing is misinstalled or rolled on me. Which that means that the grease zerk can't feed grease to the cavity. So easy fix. Fixing to drill a hole in it. Be able to get grease over there. Might ping the end of the bushing with a couple punch points. Keep her from rotating. Got out the big torch. Didn't get it super hot. But it should have broke loose, and it didn't. So that made me dig a little deeper, and that's what I found. So let me get this thing fixed. Thank you.